In this video, I will show how to insert images in your Microsoft Word document. You need some pictures in your document. So there is the simple way. Put your cursor where you need picture. Then here click on picture. You can select this device. Now find out your pictures which you have. Like this one. Then insert. Similarly, second picture, insert and picture. This device. Select another one which you have. Like this one. This is the second picture. Here is we will insert third picture. And now here we insert fourth picture. And once you insert picture, guys, you have the option to customize your picture. Like you can change border and frame. There are some more options and styles to show your picture. You can change picture border, color, picture effect. And there are some another options. And also, guys, you can remove background if you need. Like this way. So this way you can insert your pictures and you can customize your pictures in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.